Welcome to all in this class. So today's lectures based on the practice questions on CF in the difference equations. So question is solve by k plus 2 minus by k plus 1 plus by k equal to 0 where k is the positive integer and given that some boundary conditions by 0 equal to 1 and by 1 equal to 1 upon 2 in the bracket 1 plus under root 3. This is the previous year examination questions. So how to solve this question? So solution is given that by k plus 2 minus by k plus 1 plus by k equal to 0. So this equation can be written as in the form of e by using the formula e power k by power n is equal to by n plus k. This is the formula of shift operator, and by using this formula given equation can be written as e square minus e plus 1 into by k equal to 0. And now auxiliary equation of this equation is e square minus e plus 1 equal to 0. So e equal to 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 upon by using the quadratic equation formula or by using this formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to minus b plus minus under root plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by using this discriminant formula, this equation e square minus e plus 1 equal to 0 can be factorized as e equal to 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 upon 2. On simplifying, finally it will be 1 upon 2 plus minus under root 3 by 2i. This is the alpha plus minus I beta form, alpha plus minus I beta type root. So we know that r equal to under root of alpha square plus beta square and theta equal to tan inverse of pi upon x. So by using these relations r equal to r square equal to 1 upon 2 square plus under root 3 by 2 square. On simplifying we get r equal to 1. This r equal to 1 and theta equal to tan inverse of under root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse of under root 3, and this under root 3 equal to tan pi by 3. So finally we get theta equal to pi by 3. And we know that for CF equal to r power k in the bracket c1 k cos theta plus c2 sin k theta. So by using this formula CF is equal to r means 1 in the bracket c1 cos k theta means pi by 3 plus c2 sin k pi by 3, and general solution is given by the formula y equal to CF plus pi So final answer is by n equal to 1 power k c1 cos k pi by 3 plus c2 sin k pi by 3 is the answer. And by using the given boundary conditions, by 0 equal to 1 and by 1 equal to 1 plus under root 3 upon 2, putting k equal to 0 and 1 in above equation, so above result becomes by 0 means 1 equal to 1 power 0 in the bracket c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0. This is equal to c1. This gives c1 equal to 1. And by using the second boundary condition, given that y1 equal to 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 and putting the value of r, and theta in above relation, so 1 plus under root 3 equal to 1 power 1 in the bracket c1 cos pi by 3 plus c2 sin pi by 3 and k equal to 1 also. K equal to 1 also by using the given boundary condition. On simplifying, we get 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 equal to c1 1 by 2 plus c2 under root 3 by 2. Why? We know that cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2 and sin pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 by 2. So by using these conditions, we get 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 equal to c1 into 1 by 2 plus c2 into root 3 by 2. But already we calculated c1 equal to 1. So putting the value of c1 in this equation, and this equation becomes 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 equal to 1 by 2 plus c2 under root 3 by 2. On simplifying, we get c2 into under root 3 by 2 equal to under root 3 by 2. It means c2 equal to 1. So we get c2 equal to also 1. c1 1 and c2 1. So by using the values of c1 and c2, our result becomes by n equal to 1 power n cos k pi by 3 plus sin k pi by 3 is the final answer by using the given boundary conditions. So next question is solve del square minus del plus 1 into ux equal to 0. And we know that del equal to e minus 1. So by using this formula, above equation, given equation can be written as e minus 1 square minus e minus 1 plus 1 in the bracket and into ux equal to 0. On simplifying, by using the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this e minus 1 whole square becomes e square plus 1 minus 2e and minus e plus 1 plus 1 into ux equal to 0. On simplifying, we get e square minus 3 plus 3 into ux equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is e square minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0 and e equal to 3 by using the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by using the formula of discriminant ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, x equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by using this formula, e equal to minus means plus 3 plus minus under root of 9 minus 12 upon. On simplifying, we have e equal to 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 2, or again simplifying this, e equal to 3 by 2 plus minus under root 3 by 2 into I. This is the a plus minus ib form. A plus minus ib form. Here a equal to 3 by 2 and b equal to under root 3 by 2. And we have r means under root of a square plus b square. So by using the values of a square plus b square, r equal to 3. So r square equal to 3 and finally r equal to under root 3. And theta equal to tan inverse of b upon a. So tan inverse of under root 3 by 2 upon 2, 3 by 2, 2 and 2 cancelled. So theta equal to tan inverse 1 upon under root 3 and it will be pi by 6. So CF is under root 3 power n in the bracket C1 cos pi by 6 n plus C2 sin pi by 6 n and pi is 0. So final answer जनरल सॉल्यूशन है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में ux दिया है, सो हम हर जगह पर n के प्लेस पर x पुट करेंगे. सो यहाँ पर एक मिस्टेक थी, ये राइटिंग मिस्टेक. सो हम यहाँ पर x में इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे क्वेश्चन में ux गिवन था. सो ये इसका फाइनल आंसर रहेगा. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज yn plus 2 minus 3 yn plus 1 plus 2 yn equal to 0, where y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to. So given that yn plus 2 minus 3 yn plus 1 plus 2 yn equal to 0, or on simplifying by using the formula e power k by n equal to n plus k, this given equation can be written as e square by n minus 3e by n plus 2 by n equal to 0, or on simplifying e square minus 3 plus 2 into by n equal to 0. So ae will be e square minus 3e plus 2 equal to 0. On factorizing, we have e square minus e minus 2e plus 2 equal to 0. Taking common e, so e in the bracket remain value e minus 1 and taking minus 2 common, so remain value is e minus 2 equal to 0. Or finally we get by factorizing this equation e minus 1 into e minus 2 equal to 0. This gives e equal to 1 and 2. Means roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. So CF is C1 1 power n plus C2 2 power n. Pi is 0, y right hand side is 0. So general solution is given by n equal to CF plus Pi. So we have by n equal to C1 1 power n plus C2 2 power n. Suppose that this is equation number 1. So by using the given boundary conditions, we have put n equal to 0, in above equation 1, and we get pi 0 equal to 0 means C1 plus C2. Suppose that this is equation 2, and again put n equal to 1 in equation 1. So y1 equal to 1 equal to c1 plus 2c2, equation number 3. On simplifying equation 2 and 3, we get c1 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to 1. So c1 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to 1. So putting these values in equation 1, so equation 1 becomes by n equal to minus 1 into 1 power n plus 2 power n is the final answer. So next question is 3 yn plus 2 minus 7 yn plus 1 minus 6 yn equal to 0. Given that y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 1. So answer, given that 3 yn plus 2 minus 7 yn plus 1 minus 6 yn equal to 0, and we can write this equation in the form of e 3 square minus 7e minus 6 equal to into yn equal to 0. So auxiliary equation of given difference equation is 3 e square minus 7e minus 6 equal to 0. Further factorizing, we have 3e square minus 9e plus 2e minus 6 equal to 0. And taking common 3e in the first term, so we get 3e into e minus 3, and taking common 2 from last two terms, and remain value is 2 into e minus 3. Finally, we get 3e plus 2 into e minus 3. So factor of this auxiliary equation is 3 plus 2 and 3 e minus 3. So this gives e equal to minus 2 by 3 and 3. So again we get roots are real and unequal. So CF is C1 minus 2 by 3 power n and C2 3 power n. Pi 0, y right hand side is 0. So general solution is pi n equal to C1 minus 2 by 3 power n plus C2 3 power n. I call it, this is equation number 1. So by using the boundary conditions, put n equal to 0 in equation 1, we get 0 equal to C1 into minus 2 by 3 power 0 plus C2 3 power 0. On simplifying, we get C1 plus C2 equal to 0. I call it, this is equation number 1. Again, put n equal to 1 in equation 1, and we get 1 equal to C1 into minus 2 by 3 plus C2 into 3. Suppose that this is equation number 3, or simplifying, we have 1 into C2 into 2 by 3 into 3C2. So this is equation number 3. So correction is there. And solving equation 2 and 3, further solving equation 2 and 3, we get C1 equal to minus 3 by 11 and C2 equal to 3 by 11. So by using these values of constants, general solution by n equal to 3 upon 11 common, and in the bracket 3 power n minus 2 by 3 power n is the answer. So next question is solve the difference equation yk plus 2 plus 5yk plus 1 plus 6yk equal to 0, where the given boundary conditions are y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 1, and nature of k is positive, और इक्वल टू 0 भी ले सकते हैं, बट 0 से ज्यादा ही वैल्यू लेंगे. And given that the difference equation is by k plus 2 plus 5 by k plus 1 plus 6 by k equal to 0, or this equation can be written as in the form of b square plus 5e plus 6 into by k equal to 0. So auxiliary equation of this equation is e square plus 5e plus 6 equal to 0. On factorizing, we have e square plus 2e plus 3 plus 6 equal to 0, or e into e plus 2 plus 3 e plus 2 equal to 0, or final factors are e plus 2 and e plus 3. So roots are minus 2 and 3. So nature of roots are real and unequal. So CF is C1 minus 2 power k plus C2 minus 3 power k. Pi is 0, by right hand side is 0. So general solution is by k equal to C1 minus 2 power k plus C2 minus 3 power k. Suppose that this is equation number 1. So by using the boundary conditions, put k equal to 0 in equation 1. So we get the equation C1 plus C2 equal to 0. Suppose that equation 1. And again put k equal to 1 in equation 1, and further simplifying we get the equation 1 equal to, we get the equation minus 2c1 plus minus 3 into c2 equal to 1. Suppose that this is equation number 3. On simplifying or solving equation 2 and 3, we get the constant c1 equal to minus 1 and c2 is also minus 1. Sorry, we get the constants c2 equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to 1. Correction is there. So final answer is by k equal to minus 2 power k minus 2 power k minus minus 3 power k is the final answer.